Goodbye forever to the nail fungus with this rare but effective remedy. Solved in 10 days. Apple cider vinegar is the most effective way to get rid of nail fungus. Commercial treatments for nail fungus often do not work, so here we show you a completely natural solution that will help you to solve this problem. Can apple cider vinegar cure the nail fungus? It's all about pH. Fungi need an alkaline environment in order to thrive. The fungal infection of the nail causes the pH of the nail and the surrounding skin to be more alkaline. Apple cider vinegar is acidic, making it increasingly difficult for the fungus to survive. But in this video we do not just talk about putting apple cider vinegar and that's it. But we propose an explosive combination that works at 1000 wonders. Ingredients: 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, a glass of pomegranate and strawberry juice, the rest water. Preparation: 1. Pour the ingredients into a basin. 2. For about 15-20 minutes soak your feet in the mixing. 3. With a paper towel dry your feet. 4. Repeat this procedure one more time, but this time adding a glass of lemon